friends. How we doing? We are on lesson 12. This is the last lesson in the first section of the Scratch to Python online course that I've been creating, trying to help you understand lots of things. And again, I know I sound like a broken record, but here we are. We've been using input already several times in our previous lessons in code, but I just want to highlight again how it works just to make sure that we're clear with everything that we've got going on. And so it's always important that our programs are interactive, especially when we start getting into game design and really starting to do some more intermediate to advanced type coding, both in Scratch and in Platform or Python, excuse me. And so we want programs to interact with the user through input and output, and information through the input can be done through using the keyboard. Eventually, we can start to do physical computing and gather data from sensors and buttons and all sorts of other amazing things. But for now, we're going to keep it simple, gathering the input from the keyboard and then outputting it onto the screen. And so when we use this in Scratch, the easiest way to do this is the ask command, which we've been doing, where our sprites, our program, whatever that we're using, can ask a question and it's going to wait until the user inputs, types in a word, a number, whatever it might be. In Python, it's much the same way. We use the input function, which we've been using already to gather information, and then we can print that out as we've done several times. So let's jump into this and take a look at it. We're going to keep it real simple, but just know that when we get into the next set of lessons and things like that, and challenges, that we're going to be using this much more in greater detail for some more advanced stuff. Okay, so here we are in our Python, and let's just do very simple. Let's just do name. We've done the variable before, and this is that input that we've been doing time and time again. And so we could say enter your name. And what I'll do here is this, put that around. All right, it's going to wait, and then we can just have it print. All right, and in this case, we're going to say hello and then name. Okay, so when we go to run this, very simple, but just so you can see how the input works. All right, so we'll go ahead and call this lesson 12 input. It's going to ask right here to enter a name, Aaron, and then it says hello Aaron. All right, straightforward. We can gather information. We can get into this. You'll see this in future lessons and episodes, that we can actually take this input and then add it into a list that we've been learning about lists in these previous lessons. And so there's just lots of things that we can do with this. And so that's how it looks in Python. And this exact same thing, you can guess it here. We'll just stick with the cat for now. All right, but we can do here when I press. Let's just go and press the space bar. We've been pretty consistent with that. We're going to go here to sensing. All right, we're going to go here, ask what's your name, and then the looks. All right, and we're going to say, and in this case, let's join. All right, so let's join. We've been using this as well. And we're going to put in here hello with the space there. Remember, if we join, sometimes the words will run together if we don't put that space there. Hello, and then we're going to add the answer to whatever you put in. So we're going to drag this answer right there. So now when we go to run this, cat's going to ask your name, AA Ron, and it should say hello Aaron. Boom, there it is. So we can take this input and we can start to do things with it. So all right, so short, simple, sweet, easy to rock and roll, the idea of inputting. Now we've done these 12 lessons, let's go ahead and combine them with a couple challenges here for you to see if you can apply all the learning that we've been doing. So go ahead and check out the challenges following this lesson. And as always, my friends, remember, stay awesome.